Hello. Welcome. So, what should I drink today? I'm gonna have some Jamesons. Excellent. Let's ice the drink first. Ice, baby. Nice ice column. Perfect. And now we're gonna have some Jamesons. We're gonna put 4 cl. Be generous. Don't be very full. So Jamesons. Perfect. A little bit more. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna open. We're gonna open the yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Ginger ale. Excellent. Perfect. And then we're gonna pour it into the glass. Okay, leave it there. Leave the ginger. And now we're gonna put a lime. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Okay, throw it up. Yeah, squeeze and drop. And drop. And drop. Drop. Give it a drink. More? More?